tugame lose control. Newansamba nosuleri omukwano gwe wameta gwantukeri. Samusango ba iPhone nze nabafunye abange wankomi. Ulya sibino bya pankuwe nze njagala obikole take my breath away. Mwe mba matira baida we sijamu banoonya nze kale gwe yobade chinchera inside the penkela molino mukwano singa nyongolo pita sito tintima woyagaliro mpita sagala mbalala niba vuga bebe sigala kuntebe zira kukuliku vuga bebe sigala kuntebe vuga bebe sigala kuntebe yeah one more time. Mkwano Chilistia. Sorry for the flu. I know. Msana mungi. Tekati ntambula nye misana. That's why I have flu.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's start with the name Mimi Kampala. Mimi the Billion Kampala.
Mimi the Billion Kampala. Actually, Mimi kuva butonzi baladi wampita Mimi. Then I added on Kampala. Ndoza ngankula home. Jamu social life. Ningatako Kampala. Then the Billion, it's my slogan as an artist. Okay. Yeah.
For the billions, or you're going to make the billions?
I think in just 1 year, I'm going to be a billionaire.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, Mimi, let us begin with your journey, your first song. What was your first song and how was the feeling?
Actually, I have my first song that I did. Nga siri kubyagama ngenda yimba nkube naye nga njagala nyumirwa music. My first song naisi jaddu bagamba kanduleke tandikeko nkweguya. Nkweguya, I did nkweguya with Dr. Brain, and I was so happy because the rimba nasoko kola rulina lyrics ziri machuwa nga lulaga flowing. I was so happy and he was so good at his writing. Yeah. Then Banange. Just Brian Hitboss. Dr. Brain. Dr. Brain bamukubira esimu ne tumunoonyaako era nga writer naye onanoonya omuntu ng'omwagala tumunonya ne tumufuna ne tukola oluyimba olwo n'aluwandiika nkweguya abo bakuleke kuba nze nkweguya njagala bya kubawuuba nkweguya njagala nakulya byolya nzigirawo sisuuba. That was the first one. And then nazaako oluyimba kyawo mpozi one on one. After nkweguya. Lose control 1 on 1.
I think it was
Lose control.
1 on 1 is like fresh.
I did Lose Control with Uncle Ronnie. Yeah. And it was a nice one. Twakola bya mangu.
And he's saying there's an artist, a fresh artist. It's called Mimi Kampala. I know him about Lose Control. I don't mind it. And then after some time, for you page, Lose Control.
Gefuga baby sigara kunte.
It's called Max Stylist. He's a dancer.
Max Stylist, culture dancers. Yeah. Nazina mazina muko. Yeah, Uncle Ronnie, it was a call. Netumufuna. Yeah, yaluandika na producing. Yeah. Ezange zempandika sikyali mu kisenge ezinatuka ekiseera kyakyo ezituufu nga ziva za mu biseera byange eby'eddembe nga neetadde. Lose Control, then 1 on 1, Biniganta. We met with Biniganta at Speak, Mnyonyo. Yeah, twamunoonya naye ye twale manager yange yali connected naye ne bamunoonya awo. Then we told me to speak, but the issue was writing new song, not doing a collab of me and Benegant. Yeah. So we told in studio one the same. Naimba. He was writing awandika Benegant awandikira kungoma. Yeah. Kati yali awandika n'akuba eyo rap. Pull up them back, tell them fi back off. Pull up that shot, make them fi shut up. Kino the vibe, we got the shut down. In every style, we got shut them. No, you give me something more than I need. Give me something more than I need. Them guys singing that beam. Yeah. I was like singing that beam, but yeah, beam nyonga be flowing up because me I was low. 1-on-1 any day, so no one no. And nachima yula nechinyuma ne mugasiga beam, but mukwano nsabe bere collab nakkiriza. Then we
Just
did.
like that.
Yeah.
Newe namuka favor.
I think we matched the energy. Once the energy matches, ola nemba muyimbi nga mukola olimba mu studio. Nekivayo nga kirungi omuyimbi munatasaagana naye wekiba nga kibyagamba. Tujja kulaba.
Okay, so after 1-on-1, I think now you do the song with Joey, the remix.
Yeah.